Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing great. So friends, let's talk about our recipe for today. Our recipe for today is we will make jaggery glazed carrots. So jaggery is like raw brown sugar and it's considered healthier than the brown sugar. So we will you can find the jaggery at any Indian grocery store. So friends, first we will boil these carrots and then we will glaze them like in butter and some spices, some secret spices that will make it really delicious. Okay friends, let's start. So friends, for our recipe, sugar or jaggery glazed carrots. So I will use jaggery, which is more healthy than the brown sugar. So we'll glaze these carrots in jaggery and add some spices. So for that I have taken these beautiful colored carrots. So we'll boil them first and then glaze them in jaggery and some spices. Okay friends, let's start. So first I will peel the skin a little bit and then we will boil them and then we'll glaze them. Okay, let's start. Okay friends, so I have peeled the carrots and put in some water in a pan. So I'll boil these for about between 7 to 10 minutes till they are soft, and then we'll take them out and then glaze them with some jaggery and some spices. So friends, it has been around 10 minutes and the carrots are pretty tender now, so I'll take them out and then we'll glaze them. So friends, we'll warm up a pan and add some butter, and I will also add some olive oil. You can do it only in butter, but I'll add some olive oil as well. And then to give some good flavor, I will add the fennel seeds and also I will use the powdered cloves. And that will also give a good aroma. Just a little bit. And then we will add our raw brown sugar or the jaggery powder. So and you can get this from any Indian grocery store. So we will make like a mixture of this and then we will glaze mix this up. Maybe add a little bit more oil in it. So once the jaggery melts and it forms a nice paste, we will add the fennel seeds already. It smells very good. Okay friends, I think we can add our carrots now. Oh, it smells great. The cloves and the fennel and the jaggery powder, it smells amazing. And friends, this will make a good side dish, and you can have it with, if you're having meat for dinner, like a steak or something, you can have it with that, or just like that, a side dish. It will taste amazing. I mean, the carrots themselves are sweet, and then we have the jaggery, and we also have the aroma of the fennel seeds. And I'll turn the heat off now. So friends, that's it. This is our recipe for today, glazed jaggery glazed carrots, and these are really, they taste amazing, so definitely try it. So friends, I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay friends, bye bye.